precious gift. First you make a wish for a dream come true, and then you see it through. It lifts the ones you're with. A life in love is a life that we all want. A life in love is a life well lived. No one is perfect at all. It's okay to have imperfections, yeah. It's a lesson in embracing your faults and flaws.